Assalamualaikum everyone. Today with a new scholarship video. Today I'm here with a new opportunity for graduate and undergraduate students. So today video is about KAIST University South Korea. They recently announced a regular track scholarship for graduate and undergraduate. So in this video I will guide you that how you can find your programs and how you can apply and make up your account on it. So this one is best opportunity for undergraduate. You can see that CAS welcome students with very distinct talents and graduate students recruiting for graduate program for CAS occurring during the spring and fall. Basically, this semester is for a fall, so you have to fill up your application. So they have 5 to 6 steps. So I will guide you in this video that how you can make up your application. This is the main page of their website. You can see that before going to the portal, I want to show you some important information here, like this one. Okay, before going to application, so little introduction about a CAS University is a top QS ranking around about 50. It's under 50 ranking. So in a world university ranking is 42. And what kind of programs they are offering and what's the criteria and what's the ranking of those programs in the CAS University, you can look at here. Material science mechanical is a 20th, 22nd, 23rd, because in QS ranking or in a world university ranking there are subject wise or department like criteria and ranking, and you can find your best program here. There is a little bit a tough competition who are going to apply, so you have to prepare your good documents here. So therefore otherwise it's very difficult for you guys to get a scholarship. So all of my YouTube family who belongs to where country like any European, Asian or Africans, so you have to apply on this scholarship. Okay, without wasting your time, so you can see that is basically today I will guide about undergraduate students, because still they just open undergraduate scholarship. I want to show you some important information about here. Yes, you can see that is international graduate portal. So international graduate portal will be open on December 2. So you have to prepare your document because today is 22 November. So you have only 8 to 9 days to apply on this scholarship, and you have very less time here, because they mentioned that fall they will open the admission from 2 to 16. So you have only 2 weeks to apply on this scholarship. So therefore I am making two video today for graduate and undergraduate, so you can make up your document early, and well they offer a open application, you can just go and apply. And one more thing here, application waiver, because CAS University they offer for a scholarship you have to pay some fee, but you can be waived off from application fee. I will attach all of the link in the description section, so you can easily click on it and find your way how you can make up your application. You can see that cash application fee waiver program for 2026 regular admission. So this video is about regular admission track for fall. So if you want to give information about how you can go get a fee waiver, just click one of these form here. If you want a PDF, a docs, I just gonna show you that how you can. Yes, you can see that application fee waiver request form. You have to fill up your information here, your track, because it's a under because today video is about undergraduates. So undergraduate students. So after 2 December they will open graduate students. So say on the same portal you can get the same fee waiver application form. Or here you can declare of a context that one of these should be uh, eligibility for you. If you are eligible for this, you can check one of these: signature and date and letter of recommendation for application waiver. Where you can get letter of recommendation from your school. Your school principal will sign up, and this is the applicant information, and they will fill up about that you are outstanding student, you are a good student, you are average students, and they will write something about you uh, in your uh, in your context that you are going to for international scholarship. And after that they he will sign here or write date, and you can upload this form with the application, or you can send to the university. So in this case, university will waived off you from your application fee. Okay, so undergraduate students, what kind of scholarship you will get? You will get full tuition fee here, tuition fee exemption for 8 semesters, and the living expense. You can see that around about 3,50,000 KRW per month. You will get free medical health insurance. And who can apply? Those students who have a CGPA around about 2.7, they can apply in the scholarship. So if your scholarship your percentage is around about 60 to 70 in between, that still you are applicable to apply on this scholarship. Or there is only single application, you can send your application at university and it will automatically considered for cash scholarship. You don't need to provide any kind of separate application for it. So these are the information. Let's move toward that, how you can apply on this scholarship. Simply that you can click on application and apply online. Just I will move you toward that. And one more information here, because we are applying for a fall track. So undergraduate students, they are open now 6 November to January 6. So your document submission until 13 January, because sometime you don't have some kind of document, so still you have a time after deadline that you can submit your document until 13 January. You can send your letter of recommendation until 13, and admission announcement will be notify you on 26 March. Reply your acceptance, because they will send you email that you are accepting this scholarship or not. It depends on you. Okay, this is the application page. I will attach all of the link in the description section. You can easily find a link and go for your application. Simply the first step is that you have to provide your applicant information. You have to upload your photo, your name, your postal address, your phone number, and what kind of subject you are gonna apply. So you can see that a lot of fields they open: physics, math, chemistry, biological, mechanical, aerospace, computer science, industrial, nuclear, a lot of here. So it depends on you. After that, you have to click save and continue. The second page is for your previous education. You have to write the name of your high school here, your school postal address, official website if they have, and recommender information. However, school students can get their recommendation from school principal and any 17 or 16 or 18 grades teacher from their school. So don't be worried about this one. Academics, you can write your information, your elementary school, your middle school, or your higher secondary school. This means that your matriculation, your matric information, your 12th information, and your 8th grade information. You have to write all of the information this in this part. Okay, if you have any kind of English test, you can upload it here. Otherwise, you can read this one. Applicant who complete their high school education in English, they can upload English proficiency letter. So simply you can make your application letter from your schools. It will be stamped by our principal, and you can upload it here. If you have any kind of extra curricular activity, you can add your information, and you have any work experience, you can add it here. After that, you have to click save and continue. The third step is that you have to give every standardized test here, the official test submission. So they have SAT, they have app, they have ACT, they have IB diploma, a GCE level, national exam interest. You have any kind of test, you can upload it here. If you don't have it, simply you can choose that not available, not available, not available. But in the later, in January in next year 2026, before January 13, you have to submit your SAT test there. So remember these small things and confusion, otherwise you will be stuck. Still you have lot of time. HTC will again, or other country information, they will again open SAT or hat test. You can go for there and get your hat test here. Or if you have any kind of honors award, any certificate, you can upload it here in the PDF form, JPG form. You can see there's a lot of if you have any kind of honors and award and scholarship, you can upload it here. After that, click it save and continue. And okay, Now, statement of purpose. Statement of purpose is very important. I in my every video I guide you all of you guys that statement of purpose is a main point where they look at student that what kind of background it have, what kind of future he want to do, and what kind of analytical skills it have. So you can see you have to write describe the reason. Please write the personal statement with the focus what you learned from felt during. Please cite any case in which thought made attempt in any way different from the others. Cite cases. You have to read all of the things and write only around about 150 to 300 letters. Simply, you can use DeepSeek and AI Chat GPT. You can give them a question or write a prompt there, and you copy it or remove its plagiarism, and you can paste it here. So it become easy for you guys. After that, you have to sign it and certify, and save and continue. Okay, the last step is here. You have to choose a KAIST scholarship. It's a free tuition free living expenses. Otherwise, if you have any kind of other scholarship, you can choose. It depends on you. And what kind of scholarship you will get? I already told you for 8th semester, you will get a monthly allowance, living allowance here, and medical health insurance. They didn't mention about accommodation, but they will give you subsidized in accommodation there, and you have to check it now. And after that, save and continue. And it's the last step that you can read all of the information here. They ask you about a fee, but I already told you about the fee, that before going to apply application, you can simply fill up this form and send to university. Your school will stamp it, and they can give you a fee waiver, or simply you will apply on this scholarship. So remember this thing and share this video in your circle so they can get opportunity. It's a best opportunity for undergraduate students and graduate students. Keep tuned on the channel. You will get the same information. Your portal will be open on 2nd December, so you have just 1 week, and after that it opens, still you have 14 days to apply your scholarship. So share this video that all students can get information on it. And further, if you want any information, I just want to show you that you can download it here. And from where you can download your fee waiver application form. Simply, you can see that this is made a website of a CAS university. Just remove these ones, and you can get all of the link. Like for example, if you want to apply online, click it here. You can see it's a apply online application guide. They will give you all of the things. If you want to upload recommendation letter, I will recommend you that click on letter of recommendation, download their template, then simply you can upload that recommendation letter, or they will accept it. If you want any information about scholarship, simply you can come and cast scholarship. Or if you want to apply for a fee waiver, from where you can get that application forms, this is the main website. I will attach the link of the main website in the description. You can see international student view book, scholarship for international students, CAST application fee waiver, and international undergraduate. Just click on it here, and you will get the main page. You can see, you just click on it, download it, fill it, and visit your school. Your principal will sign it, and simply you get a waive off of your application. And they are also give some information about people that who can apply for this one. Okay, so this is a video, a better opportunity for graduate and undergraduate students. Share this video. I need a lot of support from all of you guys. So I will come back again with a new content about different scholarship in Europe and other countries. So until that time, remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.